So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Samsung Galaxy F62.
New on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future video.
The specifications of Samsung Galaxy F62 are Exynos 9825 6.5 inches Full HD Super AMOLED display, 64 megapixel rear camera, 32 megapixel front camera, 7000 mAh battery, 25 watt fast charging, One UI 2.5 based on Android 10. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Samsung Galaxy F62. There are three storage variants of Samsung Galaxy F62: 6GB plus 64GB, 6GB plus 128GB, and 8GB plus 128GB. There are two color variants of Samsung Galaxy F62: green color and blue color. This is the front side of Samsung Galaxy F62. This is the back side of Samsung Galaxy F62. The launch date of Samsung Galaxy F62 is on 15th Feb 12 pm. In my opinion, the expected price of Samsung Galaxy F62 should be below 17,000.
This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.